Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa LearningPal, kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So quick update lang po tayo dahil kahapon po ng gabi hanggang ngayon ay meron po mga lumabas na bagong performance-based bonus SARO from Department of Budget and Management. So ibig sabihin, dahil meron na pong SARO ay malapit na po natin ma-receive yung ating performance-based bonus. So check po natin yung mga kahapon po na humabol. So ito po, September 19, 7:10 PM. So meron pa pong humabol ng mga SARO. So we have Julian Soriano Memorial Comprehensive High School to cover the fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus for 43 eligible school-based personnel. So, congratulations po. Next po, we have Liloy National High School, President Manuel A. Rojas National High School. So, check po ulit kung ano pong region yan. So, we have Region 9. So, congratulations po sa mga tiga Region 9 na meron na pong SARO from DBM. Next, we have Duhinod National High School, Katipunan National High School, Kipit Agro Fishery High School, Manukan National High School, Pinyan National High School, Polanco National High School, Division of Zamboanga del Norte, Bakungan National High School, Gutalak National High School, Salug National High School, Sebutad National High School, Sindangan National Agricultural School, Sindangan National High School, Siocon National High School. Also, we have Tampilisan National High School, Ubay National High School, Sergio Osmeña National High School, Division of Dapitan City, Ilaya National High School. So, marami pong mga schools ang lumabas po, no? Sa humabol po kahapon po. No? Dapitan City High School, Division of Isabela City, Basilan National High School, Begang National High School. We have Tangke National High School, Division of Dipolog. Sorry po, wala pong Tangke National High School po, no? Division of Dipolog City, Dipolog City National High School, Alberto Q. Uban Memorial Agro-Tech Science High School, Galas National High School, Punta National High School, Sikayab National High School, Zamboanga del Norte National High School, Pagadian City National Comprehensive High School. Next, we have Pagadian City National High School, Tawagan Sur National High School, Zamboanga del Sur School of Arts and Trades, Zamboanga del Sur National High School, Division of Pagadian City, Lala National High School, Napolan National High School, Division of Zamboanga City. So still po, ito po ay nasa Region 9. So congratulations po sa mga schools. No? Marami pong schools ang lumabas po ang PBB sa Region 9. So continue po tayo. Arena Blanco National High School, Ayala National High School, Culianan National High School, Curuan National High School. We have Don Pablo Lorenzo Memorial High School, Manikahan National High School, Maria Clara Lobregat National High School, Mercedes National High School, Regional Science High School, Southern National High School, Talon National High School, Vitali National High School, Zamboanga City National High School, Main and West. Division of Zamboanga del Sur, Balongating National High School, Bayog National Technical Vocational High School, Commonwealth National High School, Dimataling National High School, Dinyas National High School, Kabatan National High School, Lapuyan National High School, Mahayag National High School, Molave Vocational Technical School, Panagaan National High School. So, medyo marami po itong mga Region 9 na schools na nagkaroon po ng performance-based bonus. So we have Tambulig National High School, Tukuran Technical Vocational High School, Division of Zamboanga, Sibugay, Alicia National High School, Diplahan National High School, Francisco Ramos National High School, Imelda National High School, Ipil National High School, Kabasalan National High School. Okay? So, medyo marami pa po to. Malangas National High School, Naga National High School, Olatanga National High School, Santa Clara National High School, CI National High School, Sorabay National High School. Also, we have Talusan National High School, Tigitay, Tungawan High School, National High School, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Division of Zamboanga, Sibugay. Cancilayan Farm School, wala po to. So far, yun po yung ating last, Zamboanga, Sibugay. So, congratulations po sa mga meron na pong SARO para po sa kanilang performance-based bonus. So, kailangan na lang po natin maghintay na maayos po ng mga ating school personnel sa division office yung ating pong PBB. So, please subscribe po and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo kapag meron po mga bagong SARO na lalabas. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.